The Filipino scientists and their contributions in the field of science. Dr. Fe Del Mundo was a pioneering Filipino pediatrician, humanitarian, and national scientist of the Philippines who dedicated her life to improving child healthcare in the Philippines. Her work included extensive research, establishing medical institutions, and providing healthcare to remote rural areas. Contributions to healthcare and medicine. Expanded role of pediatrics. Del Mundo expanded the role of pediatrics in the Philippines to include preventive medicine, recognizing the importance of encouraging healthy living and preventing sickness. Pioneering research. She conducted experiments to determine the appropriate timing and recipients of vaccines and made clinical observations on dengue fever, leading to a better understanding of the disease. She also studied immunizations against polio, measles, and chickenpox in children. Brat diet. Del Mundo conceptualized the brat diet for treating diarrhea, which has been adopted worldwide and has saved many children from dehydration. Low-cost incubator. She invented a low-cost incubator for babies suffering from jaundice designed for use in rural areas. Publications. Del Mundo contributed over 100 articles, reviews, and reports on original research studies, cases, and clinical trials to medical journals. She also wrote a weekly column in the Manila Sunday Times magazine called Baby and You, offering advice to parents on preventing childhood ailments. Establishment of medical institutions. Children's Memorial Hospital in 1957, she inaugurated the Children's Memorial Hospital in the Philippines, with a 100-bed capacity dedicated to the children of the Philippines. Institute of Maternal and Child Health. In 1964, she created the Children's Medical Center in the Philippines and established the IMCH in 1966. The IMCH became a private affiliate of Population Commission, recognized for its maternal and child health and family planning activities. Institute of Community and Family Health. In 1973, Del Mundo broadened the scope of IMCH to include the care of adolescents and outreach health programs in underserved communities, leading to the establishment of the ICFH. Recognition and awards. Elizabeth Blackwell Award in 1966 for outstanding service to mankind. Ramon Magsaysay Award in 1977 for public service as a private citizen. Rotary International Award in 1960. 15th International Congress of Pediatrics Award in 1977 as the most outstanding pediatrician and humanitarian. National Scientist of the Philippines. Del Mundo was the first Filipina to be declared a National Scientist of the Philippines.